Welcome to the channel. Let's start with the ingredients for this recipe. Here I have 3/4 cup of semolina, half a cup of Greek yogurt, tomatoes, onion and green bell pepper. Then I have oil, salt and green chilies. Let's take 3/4 cup of semolina. And then I'm adding half a cup of Greek yogurt and half a cup of water to it. Let's mix everything to form a nice batter. Now let's add salt and let's mix it. Semolina is nothing but durum wheat. It is low in calories, has no cholesterol, is a good source of protein and fiber, is rich in magnesium, folate and iron. Keep the batter aside and let it rest for a few minutes. In the meantime, let's chop the veggies. Here I have 2 green chilies, half an onion, half a tomato, and then again half a bell pepper. Let's add all the veggies, which is also a lot of fiber, to the batter. Mix everything. Now in a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil and add it to the batter. Word of caution, always be mindful when dealing with hot oil. Mix it. Now time to talk about the fats. 100 grams of semolina contains 337 kilocalories, 12.5 grams of protein and 4.1 grams of fiber. This is the consistency that we are trying to achieve. This recipe is a healthier option than the deep fried fritters. Now let's take small portions of the batter and air fry them at 200 degrees for 8 minutes. Once done, relish it with any chutney or sauce. The one I have used here is a healthy zero oil protein rich peanut chutney. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.